For this video, we are going to cover divide in standard form, and we are going to follow a times 10 to the power of n, where a is less than 10 but greater than or equal to 1. And we're going to use as well a laws of indices or laws of exponent, which is about quotient law, to solve this standard form. Letter A is 9 times 10 to the power of 9 all over 3 times 10 to the power of 6. Let's divide 9 divided by 3, that is 3. And let's copy times 10. Then in quotient law, we subtract the powers. So that will be 9 minus 6. Let's copy 3 times 10. Then 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Then let's check the value of a, which is 3. Since 3 is less than 10 but greater than or equal to 1, our final answer is 3 times 10 to the power of 3. For letter B, we have 7.2 times 10 to the power of 6 all over 3.6 times 10 to the power of negative 4. So let's divide 7.2 divided by 3.6, and that is equal to 2 times 10. So once again, we are going to subtract the powers. 6 minus 4. Let's copy 2 times 10. Now here, since we have two signs, we're going to multiply that. A negative times a negative, that is equal to positive. So we're going to add 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Then let's check the value of a, which is 2. And 2 is less than 10 but greater than or equal to 1. And our final answer is 2 times 10 to the power of 10. Letter C, we have 2.5 times 10 to the power of 5 all over 5 times 10 to the power of 3. Let's divide 2.5 divided by 5, and that's equal to 0.5. Then times 10, subtract the powers, 5 minus 3. Let's copy 0.5 times 10, then 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Let's check the value of a, and that is 0.5. Since 0.5 is less than 1, so we need to change that and move the decimal to its right so that we can satisfy the value of a must be less than 10 but greater than or equal to 1. So that will result into 5 times 10 to the power of 2. Now since we move the decimal to the right side once, we need to subtract 1 from our exponent. Let's solve. 5 times 10, then 2 minus 1 is 1. The value of a is 5, which is less than 10, but greater than or equal to 1. So our final answer is 5 times 10 to the power of 1. Comment your questions and any suggested math topic for our next video.